Hello everyone, myself Heli Mehta, working as an assistant professor in computer engineering department at Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. Our subject is database management system. Our unit is 9, that is SQL concept. So today our topic is string functions and date functions. So we will see one by one with example. So string functions are used to perform an operations on input string and return an output string. Okay, so string functions are performed on the string. Okay, these functions can be applied to column having data type character, varchar and varchar2 as it is a string and string is a collection of characters. Okay, so data type must be character, varchar or varchar2. The following are the string functions defined in the SQL. So first is the lower function. As name suggests, this function is used to convert the uppercase string into the lowercase string. So our input is in the uppercase. Okay, and using lower function, it will convert the uppercase string into the lowercase string. So our syntax is we have to use the select statement over here. So select, after that our function is lower in bracket. In single quotes we have to give the input string and our input string will be in the uppercase or in capital letters. Okay, so this function will convert our input string which is in uppercase into the convert it into the lowercase letter. Okay, so see the example. We have to write select lower in in bracket single quotes we have to write any string. So we are writing dbms in capital letters. Okay, now after that in double quotes we have to write lower from dual means from system database it will give the output. So lower function converts our uppercase string into the lowercase string. So dbms is converted into the dbms which is in the lowercase. This is the functionality of lower function. Next is upper. As name suggests, this function is used to convert the lowercase string into the uppercase string which is the opposite of lower function. Okay, so our syntax is select upper in bracket we have to write the string which is in the lowercase. Okay, and this upper function convert it into the uppercase in capital letter. Okay, so select upper dbms. So our output will be dbms which is in the upper case. This is the output. Okay, so next function is init cap. Okay, it is used to capitalize the first character of the each word. Okay, so see the example. Select init cap. Okay, in which in bracket we have to write the string. Okay, we are writing our even barrows which is the name of the book. Okay, so title from dual. Okay, so from this string, okay, two words are there, even and barrows. Okay, so first character, here first character is I and here first character is B. So it is remain same in capital letters. Okay, and other characters are converted into the small letter. So our output will be even. So I is capital and here barrows B is capital. Okay, so this is the functionality of init cap function. Next is the substring. This function is used to find the substring from the string from the given position. Okay, so substring means string within string. Okay, so we have to find the substring from the given string and for that we have to give the position here. So see the example. Select substring. So we have to write any string in single quotes. Okay, after that we have to give the position. So here we are writing 2. So means it calculate from the second position. Okay, so here we have to write the position as I mentioned over here from the given position. Okay, comma we have to write till when we have to calculate it. So we are writing 5, so it will calculate 5 from 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, from which position? The second position. Okay, so our output will be VA and BA which is the substring of even barrows. Okay, so this is the functionality of substring. Next is ASCII. Okay, this function is used to find the ASCII value of the character. As you know in the C language every character have a ASCII value. Okay, small letters and capital letters also. So we have to when we have to find the ASCII value of any character we have to use the function ASCII. Okay, so select ASCII in bracket we have to write capital A. So it will give the ASCII value of capital A. In double quotes we are writing ASCII comma. Okay, when we have to use this function again, okay, for another character we have to separate it with comma. Okay, so here ASCII for capital A, here we are writing ASCII for small a. Okay, so ASCII to from dual, so it will give the ASCII value of capital A. ASCII value of capital A is 65 and ASCII value of small a is 97. Okay, so whenever we want to find the ASCII value of any character, we have to use the ASCII function. Now next is length. As name suggests, this function is used to find the length of the word. Okay, so select length, in bracket we are writing GTU. So length of the this word is 3. So output will be 3. So this is the length function. Next is LTRIM function. This function is used to cut the string from the left side. Okay, so select LTRIM. We have to provide the string. So we are writing GTU over here, and then we have to write here character. Okay, so we are writing G. So it will cut the G from the left side, altering from dual. Okay, so our output will be TU as G is cut from the left side. So output will be TU. Okay, now another example is SSSA double S. Okay, and I am providing the character S over here. So from left side it will call the all S. Okay, so here we have a 3S. So it got all 3S and output will be ASS. This is the functionality of LTRIM function. Next is RTRIM function. It is the opposite of LTRIM function. It cut from the left side, and as name suggests, it cut from the right side. So same like this, we are providing GTU and providing character U. So from right side it will cut the U. So output will be GT. Okay. Syntax for all string function are same. Select statement, then we have to write the function in bracket single quotes. We have to provide the string. Okay. Next is reverse. As name suggests, this function is used to reverse the string. So select reverse. We are writing even reverse from dual. Okay, so reverse is NAVI. So our output will be NAVI. This is the functionality of reverse function. Next is INSTR, used to find the location of the given character. Okay, as I explained earlier, string is a collection of characters. Okay, so if we want to find the position of any character in the particular string, then we have to use the INSTR function. Select INSTR. So hello world is my string. Okay, and I am writing R over here. So it will provide the location of character R. Okay, it will calculate space also. Here we have a space between hello and world. So space will also calculate. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So for R, output will be 9. If I write H, then output will be 1. So string is a collection of character, and if we want to find the location of the given character, then INSTR function is used. Next is concat. Okay, concat is used to combine the two string. Okay, so select good and morning from dual. So it will combine two string good, morning. These operators are used to combine the two strings. Next is the date function. So following are the date function defined in the oracle. So first is the current date. As name suggests, it will give the current date of the system. Okay, system means your computer. So return the current date. So we have to write select current date from dual, or we can write select system date. SYSDAT is known as system date from dual. Okay, so it will give the current date of your system. For example, 21st August. So it will provide the output in this format: date, month and year. Okay, so it is simple. Select current date from dual. Okay, next is extract. Okay, it extract a value of a date and time from the field. Okay, for example, year, month and day from a date time value. Okay, so your date is a collection of year, month and day. So from the current date it will extract the date, month and year. For see the example, select extract. Okay, what we have to extract? The year. Okay, so write year from the system date. Okay, so it will extract the year from the current date. Okay, year from dual. So here date is 21st August, then it will provide the 2020 as a year. If we want to find the month, then here instead of year we have to write the month, and if we want to find the date, then instead of year we have to write the date. See the example. Select extract month from the system date. Okay, so it will provide the 8 as August is the 8th month. Okay, so it will provide the 8 as the output as it is the 21st August. And if you want to find the day, then output will be 21. So we have to write day over here. So simple it is. Select extract month or year or day from the system date from dual. So it will provide the output according to the current date. Okay, now add month, as name suggests, add numbers of months to a date and return the same day which is n of the month away. See the example. Select add month. Okay, now add month is our function. Now here we have to provide one date. Okay, and format is date, month and year. So I will provide 5th July 2020. Okay, comma, we have to provide the one number. Okay, we are writing 6, so it will add 6 month in 5th July and it will provide the output add months from dual. So after 5th July plus 6 months, so it will give the output 5th January 2021. Okay, so if I write over here 1, then after 5th July, 5th August is there, so output will be 5th August 2020. If I provide 2 over here, then July, then August and September. So output will be 5th September 2020. Okay, so it will add number of months in the current date. Okay, it is simple. Now select add month 5th September. Okay, -2. Okay, here I will provide -2. So it will minus the 2 months from the September. So output will be 5th July. Okay, so if I write positive number, then it will add, and if I write minus number, then it will minus the given numbers month from the current date. Okay, this is the functionality of add month. Now next is months between. As name suggests, return the number of months between two dates. Okay, so select months between. We have to provide here two dates. So 5th July 2020, comma 5th January 2020. Okay, so 5th January to 5th July output will be 6. Okay, between from dual. Okay, so this is the functionality of months between. Now next day. Okay, listen carefully. Next day it returns the date of the first weekday, that is the later than the date. Okay, so see here, select next day 5th July, comma I am writing over here Sunday. Okay, so after 5th July, first Sunday's date will be your output. Listen carefully. Here I am writing one date. Okay, comma here I am providing day. Okay, so returns the date of the first weekday that is later than the date. So after 5th July I am writing over Sunday. Okay, so after 5th July, next Sunday will be on 12th July. So 12th July will be your output. That is the functionality of next day. Okay, so here we have to provide one date, and after that we have to provide one day. Okay, so after that day, the upcoming date will be your output. So after 5th July, Sunday will be on 12th July. So output is 12th July. Okay, so this is the functionality of next day. Okay, next is last day. Okay, gets the last day of the month of the specified day. Okay, if I am providing the date of 1st July, then it will provide the last day. So obviously 31st July is the last date of July. Okay, so select last day in bracket. We have to write any date. So 1st July. Okay, so last date of July month is 31st. The output will be 31st July 2020. Okay, now two character. Okay, it converts the date or an interval value to a character string in a specific format. See here, select two character. Okay, we are converting date into character. Okay, so select two character is our function. In bracket we have to write two date. Okay, in bracket we have to write any date. Okay, comma day. The meaning of this statement is providing date will be converted into day. Okay, so date is converted into day. So syntax is very simple. Select two character. We are converting into character. We are converting date into character. So in bracket we have to write two date. Okay, so in bracket we have to provide the date. So 5th July, comma day. So the day on the 5th July is Sunday, so output will be a Sunday. So we are converting date 5th July into day, which is Sunday. So this is the functionality of two characters. So these are our string functions and date functions. Thank you.